Every time someone buys this product from you, you will make $137 over and over again. This is exactly how I made $9,300 in a single month. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can easily start a similar business. You will learn everything that you need to know to build your first passive income business and start making sales without even owning a product. You'll also have a chance to get my secret script that has allowed me to make $9,300 in a month. More on this little later in the videos. So this business model is called affiliate marketing. The cool thing about this business model is that you don't need to have your own product to sell. Okay, nor do you need any customer support or other technical stuff. All you have to do is promote other people's product over social media and get paid up to 80% commission over and over again. And trust me, this is the easiest business model out there, and on top of that, it's scalable, meaning you can go from zero to millions of dollars in a matter of months, in a matter of years. It depends on you. So forget about dropshipping, SMMA, Amazon FBA, or any other competitive business model. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. It's the best beginner-friendly business model that you can go from zero to millions of dollars in a matter of months. Now, I know it sounds promising, but there are dozens of 20-year-old to 60-year-old brothers, sisters, fathers, mothers, grandparents, and grandmothers making millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. And it seems like everybody on the internet is making money except you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how they are scaling their affiliate marketing business to millions of dollars at the end of this video as a bonus. Now, I'm also tired of a lot of fake YouTube gurus trying to show you how to make millions of dollars overnight. That's like a snake oil salesman trying to sell you a magic potion. These stupid YouTubers teach something that they don't even do. Trusting a fake YouTuber's financial advice is like trusting a dog to fly a plane. You are more likely to win the lottery than making money following those fake YouTubers' advice. And that's why I'm here to help you in this video. Also, I'll leave a timestamp below so you can watch each part individually. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Subham and I made tens of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and this is one of my accounts where I made $9,300 in a single month. So the first step to starting affiliate marketing is that we need to sign up with the affiliate network. So for today's example, we're gonna use ClickBank because ClickBank is the biggest affiliate network in the world. And if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can sign up with an alternative network called DigiStore24. So if you don't have an account with ClickBank, just click here and sign up. And once you're in, this is what you're gonna see. Of course, your account will be blank when you have no sales, but these are my daily sales. As you can see on the screen, I'm making about $300 to $500 on a daily basis. Someday I won't, but it's pretty good numbers. And I'm not showing this number to brag you, I'm just showing it to you so you can get inspired and know what's possible with affiliate marketing. So next up, we need to find the top selling affiliate offers to promote. So click here to the marketplace, and this is what you're gonna see. On the left side, you can see all the categories including business, health, supplements, green products, so on and so forth, right? And here's where you'll see top converting offers. So if you look at this offer, it will pay you $137 on average when you make a sale. And this gravity score number tells you the number of people that made sales with this product in the last 30 days. And there are many offers that you can go and promote, but the products with higher gravity score tend to sell a lot easier and faster. And that's what we want. We want something that's easy and fast. So in today's example, I'm gonna promote this offer. So I'm gonna click on this affiliate page, and this is what you're gonna see. As you can see, this is the affiliate product, and if I read the headline, it says get ready to earn massive commission with this extraordinary weight loss offer. So we know that this is a weight loss product, and we're gonna promote this offer to the people who are struggling to lose weight. So scroll down until you see the hop link generator. If you don't know what a hop link generator is, this is the tool where you'll generate your affiliate link. Just enter your affiliate ID. In case you don't know about your affiliate ID is used in your affiliate link to track sales when you promote a product as an affiliate marketer, right? So go to your ClickBank account, and here's where you'll see your affiliate ID. So copy that paste it over here, agree to the terms of service, and hit generate. And this will be your affiliate link. Every time someone clicks this link and purchase the product, you will make $137 on average. So I'm gonna copy this link and open it in a new tab, and what you'll see is a video sales letter, meaning this video is designed to sell a product, and we have to send people to this sales page in order to get paid. So go back to the affiliate page and copy this link, save it in a notepad, because the next step is to figure out our target audience, and that's the most important part, okay? Because you need to know who is your target people, so you can promote the product exactly to them, which will ultimately lead to sales and money. So to find the target audience, click on demographic, and it will give you all the information about what countries generate more sales, the genders, the age groups. So I'm going to explain real quick here, right? So countries like US, Canada, UK and Australia have high rates of buying the product, and here it says the gender, male and female 50-50% converts very well, and age group is 35 years old, right? So people who are above 35 years old convert very well. So we know exactly who our target audience is. The next thing is we need some angles and hooks ideas to promote this offer later on the Facebook group. Now why is that important? Because people on the internet are like sleepwalking zombies, you know. We need to give them an electric shock to wake them up and see what they're getting, and that's where the copy ideas come in. And here are the most converting copy ideas that grabs people attention. I'm gonna read this out to you. That says Fiji juice eats through 62 lbs of stubborn fat, right? Now imagine when someone who is struggling with losing weight and has tried countless diets and exercise, when they hear something like this, Fiji juice eats through 62 lbs of stubborn fat, it creates an open loop in their mind, wanting to know what this Fiji juice is all about and how it can help them to lose weight, right? And this is exactly how you want people to click on your link, okay? You don't want to say, hey, if you want to lose weight, buy this product, buy, right? Because that's what the most people do with affiliate marketing, and when they do, they don't get sales, they eventually quit, right? So what you need to do is you need people through that desirable mindset before they click on your link, right? You need to make people think, oh my god, what is this and how can help me to lose weight, and before they click on your link, okay? If you do that, your chances of getting sales are way higher by 99%. So copy this hook idea and paste it on your notepad. Now just to recap, we have found a high converting offer. We know the demographic, ages, gender, and what countries sorts of stuff, right? And we know what hooks and angles to use before they click on your affiliate link. So the next step is to drive traffic to your affiliate link, and that's what's the most important part of affiliate marketing, right? And I'm going to show you a genius way to get thousands of traffic. But before I show you how to get free high quality traffic that converts into sales, I want to dive deep into the process of how you actually set up the process and system. And no, this isn't going to be the same boring stuff you're tired of watching from other YouTube gurus. It's the exact system that I usually do and has allowed me to make $9,000 in a monthly basis. So here's what I'm going to cover in a couple of minutes. We're going to promote the affiliate offer by providing value, because by giving value, people will trust you, and if people trust you, that's when they buy stuff and you make sales, right? So I'm gonna create a small website where I'll be adding dieting receipts, and in the middle of the content I will add a weird image that's gonna create a pattern interrupt and make people stop scrolling and read the headline that says Fiji juice eats through 62 lbs of stubborn fat, right? And that's what we want. We want them to first consume our content about dieting recipes, because dieting is all about losing weight. So people who are consuming dieting recipes, 99% of the chances are they are struggling to lose weight. So when they are reading dieting recipes on our website, which is the value we are giving them, they already trust the website, right, where they are getting information from. So when they read about this headline, 60 to 70% of them will decide to click on your affiliate link, which redirects them towards the video sales letter. And what will happen is that one or two of them will end up making a purchase, and that's how you'll make sales, right? Now you're probably thinking how to drive traffic, right? And that's what I'm gonna cover in just a few minutes on how to get and where I get thousands of traffic on my website for free. And it's not about SEO or ranking your website in search engine or Google, right? I'm gonna show you the fastest way, something that if you promote now, in just a matter of hours you'll start getting hundreds of traffics to your affiliate link. Now let's talk about how to create a website. So go to blogger.com. it's a free website builder tool from Google, and you don't have to pay for hosting and domain. Once you inside Blogger, click on this orange button that says create your blog, right? And give it a title. For example, I will type in best keto diet because keto is a low carb diet. So hit next. Now enter your preferred domain and hit next, and click here, and here I'll type in fast keto diet just for an example and click finish. Once you're inside the blog editor, click here for the new post, and here's where you'll write post about recipes, but you don't have to write an entire receipt from scratch. I'll show you how you can create an entire receipt post within just 2 steps. So go to Facebook and search keto receipt in the search bar, and it will give you all the posts that contains the receipt. So scroll down until you see a receipt, and then from here download an image and copy the entire receipt post and come back to Blogger and paste the receipt inside here. Copy the receipt name and paste in on the title, and make sure to give a space where you need, and highlight everything and change the font type to whatever you want. Now to post an image, just click on the insert image tab, hit upload from the computer, hit choose file button and select the image you just downloaded and hit the select button. Now click the image and set the alignment to the left side and increase the size a little bit. Now from here, what we want is to insert our affiliate link, but we don't want to just insert our affiliate link alone. What we want is to insert the image that will get us high chance of getting more clicks and sales, right? So it will increase more clicks, it will increase more sales. So go back to your affiliate page and scroll down until you'll see the types of images you can use inside your website, right? So download the image you want to insert and come here to Blogger, drag your mouse pointer in the middle of the content and insert the image you just downloaded, and make sure to change the alignment to the left. And once you're done, go to your notepad, copy the headline and paste it under the image, and write what's now at the end of the headline. Now open your notepad, copy your affiliate link, tap the image and select the insert URL option and paste your affiliate link and hit apply. Do this same process with the text as well. So highlight the what's now text and paste your affiliate link and hit apply. Also highlight the text and make it bold so it stands out. Now our blog is ready, so hit publish. Now to view our blog, just click on this I button, and this is what our website will look like. Professional looking as well as free of cost. So copy this link and save it on your notepad, because the next step is to drive traffic. So I'm gonna show you a pretty insane traffic hack that you have never seen before. Okay, so go to Facebook, search keto recipes and select groups from the filter option, and here you'll see all keto groups from Facebook. Now why I'm talking about keto recipes or keto diet? Because keto is a low carb diet, right? And 99% of the people who are inside of these groups are struggling to lose weight, and almost 70% of members inside these groups are from United States and 30% are from UK, Australia and Canada, right? And that's why this traffic is very high quality traffic that converts into a sales. And what I'm about to show you is a powerful technique, so please don't abuse the system because people can get hurt. Use it in a way that doesn't seem scammy. Okay, So here are the groups. Now what you want to do is start joining 3 or 4 groups a day for at least 1 week. Okay, you don't want to join more than 1 week, right? So just start joining 2, 3 or 4 groups a day for at least 1 week, and when you're done, just click on any of the group, copy your blog link from your notepad and paste it in a new tab. Now from here, what you want is copy the title of the receipts and come here to Facebook and start typing something similar to what I'm typing now. Okay, so just focus very closely because this is the most important part, right? So I'll start typing. Okay, so dear silent members of our group, say something when you see this post because saying something is good. Now paste the title and type yummy or something like it's yummy and give an emoji like this. Now hit enter, come here to your blog post and copy the link, type here full receipt and then paste your receipt link here. Now go back to your blog post, download the image and upload it on Facebook. So now I want you to pay very close attention to this. Okay, why I am writing here dear silent members of our group, say something when you see this post because saying something is good. Because on Facebook, engagement is the key. Once someone read your post, they will start commenting on your post if you write this. Okay, and what will happen is Facebook gonna show this post to similar people who are more likely to like, share and comment. So when people start commenting on your post, Facebook is gonna show your post to tens of thousands of people, and from there 60 or 70% of them will click on the receipt link and land on this blog post where they'll read the receipt, and eventually when they are scrolling through our blog, this image will attract their attention and make them read the headline, and they will eventually click on your affiliate link, and that will make them more willing to buy the product because it doesn't seem like they are getting sold. Okay, so when they will buy the product, this is when you make a sale. Okay, so repeat the process. And don't worry about Facebook banning your account because Facebook knows that you are sharing a value post. And for the bonus I mentioned earlier, if you want to learn how ordinary people are making millions of dollars with AI and affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description below. That will redirect you to a webinar. By the way, this is the best webinar in the world. Okay, so click the first link in the description below. That will redirect you to a webinar that will teach you how ordinary people are making millions of dollars with artificial intelligence and affiliate marketing. I hope you guys learned something from this channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you don't want, that's also fine. So good luck and see you on my next video.